tabletop sculpture, and we are making toys from simple geometrical forms. You see, we already have a street of houses, and we have many cars. These are already fired in the kiln, so they are ceramics. These I have just created. They're just soft and not even dried out. And now finally I will make the truck. Actually, when I play with kids and they ask a car, I usually do this first. I mean, this is the basic shape of the car for me when I play with kids. Why? Because in playing in games for kids, the most important thing for them is the functionality. The car is the thing that helps you to move something, and it has to have a place where to put things. It may be a place for a driver, or it may be for load or whatever, but it should have some place to put things in it. So I'm starting with the same. Let me have some more space. With the same brick, right? And then I'm using my finger as a tool to push in and to form the truck itself. Here it is. I'm pressing it like this, and as rectangle inside. Well, then I fix the corners like this. You see, I take my two fingers from here, from the sides, and they make a corner, and I press with one finger or two fingers from the inside, and they make the inside corner. And here I'm pressing until the end, where the bottom is. And here, well, how to make the cabin? Well, the same as I did for our first car. I'm just pressing it here, and I'm getting the cabin. Well, here usually this, if I wanted to make it more real, I would make this thick as if there is a room for people. But, well, I don't know. It's just too complicated. For my purposes, it's enough just to make it like this. And again, I'm doing next step, which is the wheels. I will make a 6-wheeled car. You see, 3 axes, a strong one. And now I will make this. I will use this space to create a place for the driver. You see, that's it. Then, well, if we are playing with kids, then let them make all those details by themselves. They like it. To create the shape, that might be difficult for them. But such small lines, lights, is what they can do and what they like to do. Okay, again, you can press and draw the front window here, or if you want to make the play more interesting, just create a driver and put him or her, whatever you like, in front of the truck. Well, you see how I make people. I will make another series of videos. I'm just squeezing clay and create kind of a star, and then turn it into the human being. What else does the truck need to have? It's well, maybe the steering wheel. So I put some more front here, and I give him a steering wheel which he takes with his hands. So you see, I have got a perfect truck for children's games. You can use it, you can make it from plasticine, what is this, I don't know, or from clay like this, and enjoy your time with kids. I think that this is the end of our car manufacturing factory, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.